About to withdraw money from Shopify to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking in great depth and detail about withdrawing money from Shopify to PayPal in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your settings in your Shopify, okay? And once you come over here, you're going to go into payments. Now, once you go into payments, obviously you're going to choose a payment provider that sets with PayPal. So you're going to go into add payment method, and here you're simply going to add the PayPal gateway. So as you can see, it gives you the PayPal gateway over here, or you can even search a PayPal provider, okay? So that gives you these different PayPal gateways. Now, if you don't have a PayPal provider, just search a payment method, to be honest. So what that will do is it will give you a PayPal gateway, and simply, once you get a PayPal gateway for yourself, what this will start doing is it will start importing, obviously withdrawing money from your Shopify to your PayPal in the easiest way. So just connect it, and then connect your PayPal to this, and whatever money you get on your Shopify, it will be withdrawn to your PayPal, and obviously from there you can withdraw it to your bank account, or whatever you have connected to your PayPal. So yeah, just install this app, install this as your sales channel, and you're good to go. So that is how you're going to withdraw money from Shopify to PayPal. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.